Alright, hey, this is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is a chocolate bake. How you doing?
Alright, how are you doing?
Oh, I am doing very, very well this evening, my love.
Good.
So, do you want to start the magical ceremony of chocolating this evening?
Sure.
Alright.
Alright. So first up, Mars.
Mars.
Now we did one like this already. However, this one says that it's maple.
A maple Mars bar.
It sounds hideous.
I guess it'll be interesting to find out. I mean, if they made it, you know, that whole thing, if you make it, they will come, that kind of thing, but,
artificial flavors. It doesn't even say like it's a special edition or anything.
Maybe it's just a popular Canadian flavored
because
bar.
Maple leaves, maple syrup,
maple
bacon, maple candy.
It's actually a name too. There are people named Maple.
Maple?
Yeah.
Maybe it'll be like having maple bacon covered in chocolate.
I don't think it will.
I'm just trying to be positive.
Yeah. Well, let's give it a try. Let me get you
see what it does.
a napkin.
Chocolate. Oh, it smells mapley too.
Oh,
it
whoa.
Smells like
it smells like a maple bar.
Well, it smells like when you get like a box of chocolates, and they always have the ones that are kind of like maple flavored.
Yeah.
Yeah, like if you got like a box of C's candy and you got like the assorted ones, and they have maple flavored ones in there.
Huh.
That's what that smells like.
Slice and dice, baby.
And see. Boop.
Ooh. Oh, interesting. Show the audience a close-up.
Alright, well.
Wow, that smells like so mapley.
Yep, maple or maple.
Here.
Funny. It smells way more mapley than it tastes. It's almost like the caramel kind of masks the mapliness.
I like it, but I don't want to like it.
Because it sounds like it's it's gross, but
it's like, I don't like maple, but I like this, but it's maple.
No, that's actually really good.
I like it better than a regular Mars bar.
Yep, I would have to agree with that.
Yeah.
Oh, that was a nice surprise.
Oh, Canada.
They're just wonderful at everything.
They're just too good.
Yep.
Score.
I'm gonna go with a 4.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with a 4 as well. I'm quite enthused with this.
Yeah, it was definitely a nice surprise. The caramel and the maple goes really good together.
And it's almost like the maple, I mean, it's sugary, but it's not like barfo sugary.
Yeah.
Which is weird because, I mean, it's a Mars bar, come on. But
Yeah, the Mars bar, the regular one though, was, if I remember correctly,
very sugary, yeah. But it's caramel instead of maple. Maybe it's maple caramel that's in there. I don't know, but
well, that's good.
yeah. Thank you, Canada.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, would you like to see what I have to bring to the table?
Absolutely.
I have something that my mother has requested.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, Mom. And she couldn't find it anywhere. She could only find it in bags, and it was like, oh man, we don't get a bag of candy. This is supposed to be like...
You try a little bit. And
yeah. But this is a Snickers Crisper, and it's... Is it king size?
This one, I think, is kind of like the... I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, it just says you get 4 squares of it.
Yeah, and it comes in squares. You can't get it in any other form other than a square.
Yeah. I would just think like a regular size one would maybe be like 2 squares. I don't know.
What does it say? Does it say like blah 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 and robed and blah blah blah?
It says milk chocolate, peanuts, crisp rice, and caramel.
So it's basically like a Snickers with crunch.
With crispy rice.
Sounds good to me. I'll give it a try. My mom swears by them, says that they're the most wonderful thing that she's ever had, and requested that we try them.
Must be good.
And luckily, we found them. And they look like little turds.
Yeah. They're not like perfectly shaped or anything.
No, they're
like a little wonky.
Yeah. How should we do this? Shall I slice them both in half or just one?
You can slice them both in half, I guess.
I I shall wet my blade with the crispness. Oh, and again. Careless. Hamburger.
Let's see.
Oh wow.
Looks like a hot mess.
It does. Smells dang good.
Hot mess.
Yeah.
Ugh, it smells like peanuts.
Yeah. Some crisps. I see crisps. Well,
Alright,
where's that?
do it.
Ooh, go. Oh.
I'm not sure how I feel about it.
Oh, the finish is weird. It just goes down, and at the end, you just have like this sand or peanut and crunch gravel that's kind of ended up just sitting in your mouth.
Yeah.
I mean, I like the ratio of everything, but the breakdown of the chocolate, caramel, and nougat is kind of haphazard, I guess, because you end up with that gravel at the end. But I like the amount of peanut in there. I think you don't. Well, you're not. You don't
I
like
don't really
that.
like peanut butter.
Yeah. Unless it's the.
This to me didn't taste so much like a Snickers bar kind of peanuts. This to me tasted more like peanut butter. Yeah. I don't know why. It was a lot of texture.
It was a lot of texture, that's for sure.
You had like the rice puffs, and then you had the texture from the peanuts, and then you had the caramel and the chocolate.
It's a lot of chewing. It's a mouth workout. What kind of score are you thinking for this?
I'm gonna give it a 2.
A 2? Wow.
Yeah.
You know, I find this somewhat fascinating, and I'm looking at this piece and I want to eat it. So I'm going to give this a 3.5. I like, but it's not like, I mean, this thing, this all the 4 chunks of it, there's no way. I don't know, see how like a human being could like eat all that.
Sit and just swallow
Just eat
down
the whole
4
thing.
chunks
Oh,
of it.
chug that down? No way. That'd be like, oh
Very
man, I'd be
sugary.
so tired. I feel like I'd feel like actually right now I feel like I could just start drooling from this though. That's
Yeah,
kind of a
don't do that.
downside. Due to that, the after ill effects. I'm gonna give it a 3. Sorry, Mom. It's just not hitting it for me. But thanks
We'll
for the.
bring you the other 2 squares.
Yeah, you can have the other 2. Thanks for the request, and to everybody watching, if you have a request of something chocolate, we would be more than happy to fill that request if we can find what you are babbling about. So.
Yes. Wheel.
Anyways, what a fun show we've had. I'd like to thank you very much for watching.
Thanks.
Keep it up.
Keep it up.
Keep watching.
Keep watching.
Do it.
Do it.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.